governed and initiated by the Ministry of Human Resource, which we call Education Ministry nowadays. So I'll share my slide. Just tell me whether it is visible to you or not.
Visible, ma'am.
Okay, let me check. First, second slide. Wait, it is not presenting properly. I don't know what happened to it. Actually, I want to present this screen, but it is not working properly. Hmm. Now it is properly visible, I think. So today we'll discuss some initiative in higher education, which is an important topic. The first one is Swayam. Swayam is what? Study webs of active learning for young aspiring minds. So this is a program which is initiated by Government of India and designed to achieve three cardinal principles of education policy, which you should remember. AEQ, that is access, equity, and equality. Equity means it should be available to all the people, all the learners, all the students, and easily accessible, and the quality of that portal will be should be very good. So objective of this effort is to take the best teaching learning resources to all, including the most uh, it is not written properly. So all the courses are interactive and prepared by the best teachers in the country, and they are available free of cost to the residents of India. So these courses are taught in classroom from ninth class till post graduation. So you must remember for which standards for up to where this platform is available from ninth class till post graduation. So it is having four quadrants, four types. This education can be accessed either by video lectures and specially prepared reading material also there that can be downloaded or printed, and then self-assessment tests through tests and quizzes, and an online discussion forum for clearing the doubts. So through all these four quadrants, one can study there, one can see the lectures or download the uh, proper material, whatever they want to. So categories of courses are engineering, science, humanities, management, or any language. So they are free of cost. And first, the student who want to access those fields, he has to register, and then so many, and then going through all those courses shall be offered a certificate on successful completion of the course with a little fee. So at the end of each course there will be an assessment of the student through the proctored examination, and then marks and grades secured in this examination could be transferred to the academic record of the student. So national coordinators are for Swayam, are AICT for annual refresher program in teaching for faculty of engineering, university and institution. Then it's NPTL. NPTL, you know the full form of NPTL? Anyone? It is national program on technology, I think. NPTL, National Program on Technology, Enhanced Learning. So different organization or institutes for different standard or different uh, education, like NCRT for school, then NIOS is also for school, and CEC for undergraduate, UGC for postgraduate, IGNO is which is out of school students. So it is open to whoever want to register. So that type of platform is Swayam. Then Swayam Prabha. Swayam Prabha is again it is initiative by the MHRD department, which is education department now, to provide 34 high quality educational channel through DTH. This provides the channels. So you can see using your television screen. DTH means direct to home across the length and breadth of the country, 24 by 7 basis. So it has curriculum based course content covering the diverse disciplines. So this DTH channels are using GSAT 15 satellites for program telecast. So you can see at any time, and the channel you have selected, you will get that uh, material there. So this Swayam Prabha has new content every day for at least 4 hours. So for 4 hours, which would be repeated 5 more times in a day. So as per your time schedule, you can like access those programs, or you can see and attend those lectures. So they are like taken care by this Gandhinagar, BISAG Gandhinagar. So the contents are provided by NPTEL or IITs, UGC and IGNO, depending upon which type of material they upload for school children or for higher education. And then this InflibNet center maintain the web portal. InflibNet is Information and Library Network. So they cover all these types of education portfolios. Then there is NDL, that is the National Digital Library. So this Ministry of Education, under its National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology, means education using ICT. This has initiated this NDL, that is the National Digital Library project, to develop a framework of virtual repository of learning resources with single window search facility. Now, this is being developed by IIT Kharagpur. So, you remember this, the full form of NDL, and who initiated this and who developed this. So these three things are important. So this is being developed by at IIT Kharagpur. So educational material are available for ranging from primary to postgraduate levels. And NDL has been designed to benefit all kinds of users, like students of all levels, teachers, researchers, librarians, library users, or professionals, and differently abled users also, and all other lifelong learners. So more than 60 types of learning resources are available. Like there are books, there are articles, there are manuscripts, lectures, thesis, and so on. So items are available in more than 400 languages. So this integrates contents from different Indian institutional repositories. Then there is e-Pathshala. E-Pathshala is again a joint initiative of Ministry of Education and National Council of Education Research and Training, that is NCERT. And it has been developed for showcasing and disseminating all educational e-resources, including textbooks, audio, video, periodicals, and a variety of other print and non-print materials for students, for teachers also, for parents also, researchers, and educators. So this provides access to, I think someone wants to join. Wait a minute. Aarti, I am making you co-host, so you can admit.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. So we are looking at e-Pathshala. So it again provides access to digital textbooks for all classes, graded learning materials, and this enables participation in exhibition, contests, festivals, workshops. So this e-Pathshala is a mobile app which is available through specially developed mobile app interface on Android, iOS, and Windows platform for wider access, and contains all the textbooks and ebooks as EPUB 3.0 and flip books in English, Hindi, and other languages also. Then there is E-Yantra, which is a robotic outreach program funded by the Ministry of Education and hosted at IIT Bombay. So E-Yantra is hosted at IIT Bombay, and one more which is from IIT Kharagpur, which was that?
National Digital Library.
NDL. The goal is to harness the talent of young engineers to solve the problems using technology across a variety of domains such as agriculture, manufacturing, defense, home, and there is now a modern culture of smart city maintenance and service industry. So all these problems and projects are there to solve such issues. This program is being used, and the FOSI is there, which is the free or liberal open source software for education. This also promotes the use of FLOSS tools to improve the quality of education in our country, and it aims to reduce the dependency on proprietary software in educational institutions. So, through various activities to ensure commercial software is replaced by equivalent FLOSS tools. Then there is spoken tutorials. Then there is a Shodh Ganga. Shodh Ganga is again a reservoir of Indian thesis. Like Shodh means research. Okay, so this is like Ganga means just a river, right? So for this depository, is it a digital repository of thesis and dissertations that is submitted to different universities. So in this portal, you can access those dissertation and thesis. So this is maintained by InflibNet Center, which is an autonomous inter-university center, and it is a center of the University Grant Commission. So it was initially located in the campus of Gujarat University, Gandhinagar, in 2013, and it has now moved to new institutional building at Info City, Gandhinagar. So then there is a Shodh Gangotri. Gangotri is again an open access repository of Indian research in progress, which is a new initiative that complements Shodh Ganga. So whatever new theses are coming, they are presenting to the university for their admission. So the reservoir of such type of Indian thesis will be there in Shodh Gangotri. So it hosts the electronic version of approved synopsises and research proposals submitted to the universities in India by the research scholar for registering themselves for PhD program, and reveals the trends and directions of ongoing research in India and helps to avoid duplication of research, because sometimes at different places on the same topic the research is there, so and they copy from some some others work they copy. So to avoid such duplication, this is a very important portal. And e-Shodh Sindhu is also there for institutions. So based on the recommendation of an expert committee, MHRD has formed e-Shodh Sindhu, merging three consortia initiatives UGC InfoNet, Digital Library Consortium, then Enlist and Indest AICTE Consortium. So all three get merged into one, and this will continue to provide current as well as archival access to more than 15,000 crore and peer-reviewed journals. So here you can get the journals and number of bibliographic, citation, and factual databases in different disciplines from a large number of publishers and aggregators to its member institutions, including centrally funded technical institutions, universities, and colleges that are covered under 12B and 2F sections of UGC Act. So this is for institution. If your institution has been registered for this e-Shodh Sindhu, you will get that opportunity to go through all those journals. Then Shodh Shuddhi is again a different, so it is based on the recommendation of subcommittee of e-Shodh Sindhu. This Ministry of Education has initiated a program Shodh Shuddhi, which provides access to plagiarism detective software to all university and institutions in India since 1st of September 2019. And 1,000 plus institutions are identified, which includes this central universities, state universities, deemed to be universities, private universities, and some centrally funded, some inter-university centers. So under this initiative, um, a web-based plagiarism detection software system is being provided to all users of the universities and institutions. And this initiative is formally launched by uh, former Ministry of Education. Formerly, it was MHRD on December 21st, 2019. And more such initiatives are there. So we'll see in another slide. Hmm. So we have seen this Swayam, and these are some full forms, some abbreviations. So you must go through when I'll share this to you. Swayam Prabha, we have seen. NDLV. NAD is National Academic Depository. So this is DigiLocker. And this NAD is again initiative by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, that is MITI, and Ministry of Education. So this is for all the certificates, academic certificates are stored in that, and 24 by 7 you can access those this portal where you can deposit your all the certificates or academic awards. So this is electronic depository to store safely your transcripts or all those things. So you can access whenever it is needed to. And also this make sure this portal makes sure that all the uh, awards or certificates are authentic. Nobody can duplicate such certificates or award. So some fraud has been, it will be very rare to make some duplicates, and so authenticity will be improved using this portal. Then National Digital Library we have seen. Then EPG Pathshala is there. And let's see once again, E-Adhyan, UGC MOOCs, and E-Pathya. These three different platforms. So E-Adhyan is a platform to provide 700 plus e-books for the PG courses, and they are derived from EPG Pathshala courses. So this it also facilitates playlist of video content also. And UGC MOOCs is one of the one vertical to produce courses on postgraduate subjects in Swayam. That is the online where we have seen Swayam. What is Swayam? And this is MHRD initiative. And one of the national coordinator of Swayam and InflipNet is technical partner of for UGC MOOCs. MOOCs means, again, it is a massive open online courses. So this is open to the massive people, number of students or other learners can uh, get into it. Then ePathya is one of the verticals of EPG Pathshala, which is a software-driven course and content package that facilitates students pursuing higher education, PG level education, and in distance learning as well as campus learning mode. So it is also facilitates offline access also. Then Shodh Ganga, we have seen. E-Shodh Sindhu, we have seen. Then Yantra, then some spoken tutorial portal are also there, which just to short videos and audio clips, 10 minutes like that. And this is just to make employment to be at a many peoples who are not having much time, so they just the students just go through the 10-minute audio video, and then they can go to some examinations, and then computer programming simulation. So just improve those things. They have make such platform. So it is available in 22 languages, and they can learn many things without some teacher or presence of some teacher or some lecturer. So they just improve the skill, programming skill of a particular individual. Then there is a virtual lab projects. Virtual lab projects is again initiative of Ministry of Education, and this is especially for the science and engineering uh, field, because many subjects you have to go through some practical work. So that laboratories they created virtually or by simulation. So they provide access, remote access to those laboratories, and they do their research, or by using simulations they can do some practicals or some experiments. So this is again a complete learning management system, uh, that a student can learn, and practically they learn and educate themselves in a better way by using all those resources and animated pictures, and they evaluate themselves also. Self evaluation is also there, what you are putting in and what you are getting, and what are the results, what are the output. So through some this platform, the practically they can learn many things. So if you are at a remote place, you can't go to that particular laboratory. So this simulation processes, you can do many experiments. So nowadays there are more than 1800 experiments are going on, using 225 laboratories, and more than 15 lakh people are get benefited through this. Then there is a Vidwan portal. So this Vidwan portal is again a portal for the scientists and researchers, and faculty members also. They have some database of some scientists, researchers, and faculties. So using their information, what they put in, so they can use that database, and this database is again shared by the ministries and government and institutions, and they make an eye on that key, what is going on there, how they evaluating the process, the researchers and all. So that type of this portal is again very very beneficial to the scientists. So likewise, there is one more portal, e-Acharya. So e-Acharya is a portal where students can browse, and again they discover many audios, and go through those audio, video, or whatever material is there. So they can learn, and they develop their knowledge in a better way. So mainly there are eight fields, like agriculture, science, then biology, and chemistry, physics, and medical science and all. So engineering, and technological or social science, some arts, and like that there are many fields they cover, e-Acharya. Then there is e-Saransha. E-Saransha is for schooling, CBSC portal. So this is again from 9th to 12th standards, students can go through, and here the teacher and parent both can interact, and parent can go through those sites and see the progress of their child. So this is the interaction between the student and the teachers and parents. Then there is e-Kalpa. E-Kalpa is for designing. This is the portal for digital learning environment for designing. So this is again a very good portal for the students who are going for a designing field. So they can create their design, they can see the other designs also. So this is again very good for those who are having interest in designing field, whether it is engineering related design, whether it is some web designing or some arts related designing, any designing, they can use that portal. Then there is ICT and governance. Governance means government also use ICT to make coordination between the various departments, various ministries of government, and also to reach the people. So, for government work, they provide some facility or online services to the people, and the people can approach that particular site and see what that um, particular department is doing. And if you want to access some services, or you want to um, uh, some you want some certification, or ration card making, or your e-Aadhaar card, or all those kinds of thing, you can passport making, you can go through, go online and search for that particular department, fill the form, deposit the money as mentioned, and you will get the certificate. So many things will be easier nowadays. Like you can pay your bills also, electricity bill, water, telephone, mobile bills, or DTH bills. You can file returns also, income tax return, PAN card you can get online. You go to that particular department site, fill the form, and you'll get that certificate. Now, what type this government connect to the people or to the other department? So there are basically four types, four ways. Through four ways, this government communicates. The government to government means there are various services, various information providing departments which are related to public, and also they want to have some data from other departments also. So the different government organization communicate through G2G. Then G2C is government to civilians. So that means for the public related government departments, they communicate through this G2C. Then G2B is from government to business sectors. So e-governance is there to communicate with the different enterprises, different industries or businesses. So this is again easier to communicate with the government and the entrepreneurs. Then G2E, that is the employees. If a particular department is there and there is a communication between the employees and the government, that particular ministry. So government to the employee, there is a communication. So that communication is done by this G2E interface. So this is again a very effective, and it makes this working very efficient and fast. So this type of ICT helps in various sectors. So I think this much is enough in ICT. There are various abbreviated you know terms. So you should go through this and learn these. Few of them are just read them, and some of them may be asked in the examination. So this is all about ACT, I think ICT. There are some questions here. So I think one class will have this quiz type class. So anything you want to ask, you can ask.
And what type of questions will ask in this?
Questions in ICT?
Yes, ma'am.
ICT, they may ask starting from types of ICT, types of computer, hardware, and software they can ask. Then they can ask about TCP/IP, which we have gone through. They can ask about malwares, what type of malware, is this malware or not, is this program or something else. Then today whatever we studied, that is the ICT initiatives in higher education, they may ask what is e-saransh or what is Swayam, what is the, sometimes they ask simply the full form of Swayam or MOOCs, or who initiated this e-saransh or e-yantra. So that type of questions they ask.
They can
Yes, and
ask.
NDL, what is NDL? What is e-kalpa? It is used for what? Like, is it having some, you can deposit your certificates here, or you can have some text or audio related to some research or some documents, or it is used for learning design. So eKalpa is for learning design, right? Then this governance, G2G governance is for what? G2B is for what? So government has to communicate with a particular sector. So accordingly, the services are provided. Some designing will be there. Some portfolios are there. So that way they can ask.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other thing you want to know?
No, ma'am.